Hey guys, so I wanted to get on here quickly to share some good news with you guys. If you were having issues with the latest iOS 26.4, well, today Apple has officially released iOS and iPadOS 26.4.1. Now, you may remember I talked about this update. Apple was internally testing this one for several days, and it is now officially available for everyone to download. Now, in today's video, we're going to go over two of the main issues being reported within iOS 26.4 to see if 26.4.1 has actually addressed these concerns for iPhone users. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, the first thing to note is if you're going to be updating from iOS 26.4 to iOS 26.4.1, the download for this software update is quite small. I've seen downloads from 400 to 600, in some cases 800 megabytes. That's it. Now, the file size is small, but the software update is quite important. Now, Apple did not specify exactly what they're fixing here. The release notes say this update provides bug fixes for the iPhone. That's it. But if we jump into settings in general about here and take a look at the latest iOS 26.4.1 build number, right there it is. So let's talk about the two major concerns here for iPhone users. And number one, with iOS 26.4, there was increasing number of reports of excessive battery drain. Now, obviously, for me to test the battery thoroughly, I need several days. So I did update this iPhone 12 Pro and this iPhone 15 Pro Max to iOS 26.4.1. And in a couple of days, I'll have another video just to kind of give you guys a follow-up in regards to battery life. It takes a little longer to determine if battery life has improved or not. But most importantly, in my opinion, there was many reports of iPhone having lagging issues when you enable low power mode, and in some cases without even having to enable low power mode, it would be choppy and laggy when navigating your iPhone on iOS 26.4. So I've been testing the software for about 2.5 hours as of the filming of this video, and now when I enable low power mode on this iPhone 12 Pro, everything is running buttery smooth. So everything seems to be addressed here in terms of performance when you enable low power mode. Now, you may remember I talked about this. There was many increasing number of reports of issues with performance on iOS 26.4, especially when you enable low power mode. It looks like low power mode was throttling the performance on iPhone more than it needed to, and it looks like 26.4.1 could have addressed this issue for the iPhone on this latest update. Now, keep in mind, obviously, I'll have another video to talk about the battery life and more in-depth in terms of performance, but initially, it looks like this update has addressed the issue where if you enable low power mode, your iPhone does not become useless or choppy or just simply hard to use and navigate, rather slow in some cases. So just to give you guys a quick update, again, iOS and iPadOS 26.4.1 available for everyone to download as of right now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.